kings and queens, we're looking at Solana on the daily chart, and I'm gonna give you 4 important levels that we are using. I know that this level right here at 260 is not accurate at the moment, but I just want to show you how the market is behaving around level to level. So we came back down from 260, and we came back down to this previous support that we did have around 180. We just broke that level and we almost had a retest. So the market is right now continuing back down to maybe come back down to 130, and when we're coming to 130, we just might bounce up to 180 again, or if we're coming back down to 130 and we are breaking that level, we just might see the market coming back down to 70 and then bounce up again to 130. So the market is always bouncing in between these levels, so we don't have to have hundreds of millions of targets. We're just going back and looking at where is the previous support and resistance zones. And right now the two targets that I'm focusing on is these two, the 180 and 130. If we're coming back down to 130, I have to see, okay, will the market now break this support, continue back down to the previous support, or coming up again and create 130 as a resistance? So we don't always, as I told you, we don't have to have millions of lines on the charts. We're just focusing on the biggest ones, and this is on the daily. So these are magnets for the market to come back down to. So on Solana, I am focusing on 180, 130, and on 17.